You have probably complained that full checkerboards are impossible on even layer cubes, but no worries. In the four-dimensional world, you can do a full checkerboard even on even layer cubes. So let me show you how. First, you R2, F2, R2, U2, then you turn this inside guy twice. Then rotate it to the right and down, and do that same thing. R2, F2, R2, U2, inside twice, and there you go. You have created a full checkerboard on the 4D 2x2. As for the four-dimensional 4x4, you do that same thing, but you hold down the 1 and 3 keys. Alright, what does that look like? Let me show you. Make sure you have the 1 and 3 keys held down the entire time. Then, do that same thing. Just like that. Now, let's say you want to do that on the V cube 6 of the fourth dimension. No worries, hold down the 1, 3, and 5 keys to do that. Watch this. And voila! See, we have checkerboarded the V cube 6 of the fourth dimension. If you have any questions, ask them all in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe for more 4D puzzles, and I'll see you in the next video.